Send it. I love you.
I put an insert on my
No, when he did it before, I didn't get it. What's he doing?
Fuck yeah, baby!
And he has Raiders.
Fuck yeah, baby! Hey, baby.
Do it for Dale!
I'm sorry, you know. I used to hate when people did that.
What?
No, I'm talking about high school. Everybody be like, boy, look at your person. You put the lead in for
you. It's funny as shit.
I'm about to go ask them where they got their side splitters from.
How about that?
Was on Evil Street Sharks channel. I think so. Yo, son. I don't know if I got it or not. Yeah, I don't know if I got it or not. Did you see that yellow Genesis? Like, they were on the highway. This dumbass lady almost rear-ended him. Like, what the fuck? He was like on his ass. I would've went to court. This dude is loud as shit. He took off. I didn't get it, but his fucking car just lifted up. That shit was crazy. We're here. That's all you need to know.
I'm trying to tell you when y'all were
Who? Yeah. Vince.
steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.